So here I am again, and I'm going to show you how to take a tire off using Tire Machine. What kind of tire machine is this? This is a Blue Viper rim guard clamp system tire machine and deluxe tire changer. This one actually, I've had a few years. It actually works really good. Kind of good for the small garage I have. And I also have the Blue Viper balance machine. That really does work good, I admit. They both work good. So, let's see here. I'm going to show taking these winter tires off of these rims, and I got to put them on other rims so I can use them this winter, because these rims do not match up to what I am putting these tires on. And these tires are still in really good shape, so I wanted to use them again for this winter. And yeah, be going on my Jeep Patriot. So, let me start breaking them down and getting this thing going here. That one came off easy enough. The whole way around is nice. I like it when that happens. There we go, that one released too, so that's good. There we go. Okay, maybe I can move you in a little closer now and actually adjust the camera a bit. And there we go, I got her. Grab this. Grab this. No, she's not really set to the right. There we go. And the fun stuff. Actually, and I've got no power. Okay, why don't I have power here? Because I don't have it plugged in. There we go. Now I got power. There we go, I got that part done. I'm gonna have to move you now because I got to get on this side of the tire. Okay, now I can get on this side of the tire. This is always the hard part for me. Oh, that worked. Now, I'm just gonna move you again a little. Oops, sorry about that. Presto changeo, she is off the rim. Ah, gotta love having a tire changer. As many tires as I do, I needed one of these. So, there we go. That rim is now going to the metal bin. That's a heavy rim. Now, the ones I'm putting on, whoopsie, don't step on that. Aluminum, nice rims. But I gotta put in a, what do we call that? I gotta put in a valve stem. So I'm putting in a valve stem. Alright. It's not a hard job. Let's grab my tire thing here. Whoopsie. For aluminum rims, I usually do something. Alright. I don't have my little piece of cardboard there, so I'll that'll work. I actually put a little cardboard piece on the edge here. to make sure I don't damage the edge of the rim. There you go, valve stem is in, but we're not done there yet, because gotta take the valve out. Take the valve out. There we go. Take the valve out. And with these, I am gonna put around the edge here some bead seal, because these are aluminum, and I think bead seal will help a lot. Don't need a lot, just enough. I need some more of this stuff. I do a lot of tires. Why do I do a lot of tires? Oh, right, because everybody comes to me sometimes and gets tires done. Oopsie. I got it on the rim, but it don't matter. It's my rim, so it don't matter. Plus, it'll just peel off. So, there we go. Let's see here. I need a rag. So I am going to wipe that off. Get her wiped off there. There we go. That's good. I got her wiped off. And I'm gonna do, put some of that nice slippery stuff on the rim. I just use a cloth here with what is that? Tire mounting paste. And I just run her around. It puts enough on. You don't need a ton of it. Of course, having enough of it helps, believe me. It does help. There we go. I got that. Get that out of there. Bring this over. There we go. There we go. Let me get past the... There we are. So underneath the head... Oops, I'm moving you there. Underneath the head, these are nice and flexible. And there we go. That's on. I'll bring her back around. Now I gotta get her seated on the bottom. And I'll probably bring my assistant out for these to give me a hand to seat the top.
Didn't you show this once before?
Yeah, maybe. There we go. She loves that. You love that, don't you?
Oh, yeah.
That's the best.
Is that for your
What? What was that?
for the Jeep?
Yes, it is.
Are you needing my help some more?
No, not right now. Thank you very much. You're a delight. Alright, let us get the little doohickey here. There we go. Screw that in. I know, I probably showed this before, but I never showed from start to finish what was the air on those. 22. There we go. That does it for that one. Now, that one is on. Now all I gotta do is balance it. Winter tires, gotta love them. So there we are with the tire now on the rim. Nice rims, eh? And I just pick out a few of these larger stones, so we get a better reading with the balancing. Okay, that looks good. Oh, measuring here for inside. 2.5. I don't know how thick this rim is. Says 7.5. I thought it was a little wide. So 7.5. That's 15-inch. There we go. Now I can spin her. And let's see how well this does. Yeah, she looks pretty straight. Oh, 50 on the inside, 65 on the outside. Okay. I can deal with that. And means I'm going to need my scale. 50. Is that 50? Yeah, it is. Wow. That was 50. And I lost my hammer. There it is. Hammer. Oh, that's the outside. There we go. We get a 65 here. There we go. 70. 65. I did not know I had a 65. I'm using the aluminum weights to try to get this on. And that's not going to work, is it? Dang. Okay, that's not going to work on this wheel. So, I'm going to have to do it differently. Didn't want to. But it's not even sticky. Well, hold with me here. I gotta find 65. So I did find a 65, which is nice. And a 20. Really? I don't think it should be. Okay. 15. I hate having to put too many weights on a wheel. I shouldn't have to. But I'll do it for this one. And a 20. It's a 20. Oh, it's like right beside where the other one went. Maybe I didn't get enough on there. She'll work. Hopefully this will do it. Well, she's good enough. Well, there we go. She's done. And that was start to finish doing my wheel with the tire machine, both Blue Viper balancer over here, and the Blue Viper tire machine. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, because I enjoyed bringing it to you.